Effort signals quality. Another powerful bias, the effort heuristic. We assume things that require visible effort are more valuable. See, luxury fashion brands emphasize stuff like hand stitching. See, they show precision. Visible effort increases perceived depth. It feels like there's a lot of effort that's gone into it. But here's the nuance. See, hustle doesn't signal premium. So as a practical takeaway, I want to answer a couple of these questions about your own brand. Where is my visible craftsmanship? Does my process look considered? Can customers see depth before they buy? See, effort increases perceived authority when it's controlled. I've created a workbook with 17 psychological biases that you can go away and implement right now. These are biases used by some of the top luxury and premium brands that we all know of. Inside that workbook, there's loads of examples, there's the biases, and loads of questions and prompts to get you thinking about how you can actually implement this in your own brand. And it's going to be a great resource for you to keep referring back to. So it's in the link below. So take this stuff, steal it, run with it, and use it to your advantage. It's going to start to help you shape how you frame your brand as premium and luxury. All right. Till next time. Peace.